In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to undo in Notion. Let's say, for example, I'm typing something important over here. Let's say I put in a table, I add important columns to the table, and whatever I'm doing is really important. And now by mistake, I delete everything. Now how do I undo it? That's the question. To undo it, it's very simple. It's just the same as the old Microsoft Documents and Google Docs. And like any software, the shortcut is same. So what you have to do is just go onto your keyboard and simply press on Ctrl plus Z. Again, it's Ctrl plus Z. Just hit it and everything will be undooed. And basically that is how you undo. Now if you want to redo it, just click on Ctrl Shift and Z. It's gonna redo it. Again, if you want to undo it, just hit on Ctrl and Z. It's gonna undo it for you. And basically that is how to undo in Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.